What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Iowa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some grilled chicken sandwiches. A healthy, delicious meal. Well, it's probably not healthy the way I make it, but it's still delicious. So let's get started making that thing, baby. That's right, baby. The grilled chicken sandwich. Very, very easy to make. Good for the weeknight meal, man. When you get off of work and you don't really want nothing too greasy, you want something fresh, but you want something quick too. This is what you're looking for. First thing we got to do, let's go ahead and roll up our sleeves first. We don't want to get too messy. Well, yeah, we do. I like messy. Messy means good. So, let's go ahead and dip right into this chicken and get it in our pan here. Now today I've got some thin sliced chicken breast. You can use the thick sliced if you want, but I like the way these cook better. It's a better texture for the sandwich, and it's not just a big old hunking piece of meat like me. It's it's a little thinner and a little easier to put on a sandwich, so that's what we're using today. Once you get those all in your pan there, what you want to do is get you some lemon pepper seasoning. This is good stuff right here. I use this on a lot of stuff. Fish, steak, hell, pretty much everything I cook almost. Well, not everything, but a lot of stuff. Whole lot of stuff. Take your lemon pepper and sprinkle it right on top of that old yard bird there. That's right, baby. Smells good already. You can smell the seasonings bringing you what you need. Now, we're going to let those go for about maybe 20 minutes. You just want to flip them and kind of coat the other side with that lemon pepper too and let it cook real good. And once you get that done and everything's cooked and finished, then we'll go ahead and pull those out of our pan and set them to the side. And at that point, we can go ahead and start putting our bacon in and cooking that bad stuff right there, because that's where we get unhealthy with the healthy sandwich. But everything tastes better with bacon, so shit, we gonna add some bacon, baby. Yes. Let's get to it. Yeah. Gotta stay hydrated when you're cooking, baby. That's rule number one. Well, this chicken is just about done, and actually pretty much is done. Look at that good color we got on there. And it's got a nice lemon pepper crust too, baby. You see all that lemon pepper we put on there? When we put it in the skillet, it just kind of cooked down, and now it's beautiful, baby. So, we can go ahead and pull this right out of the pan. Take your spatula and just put it on your plate over here to the side and save it for later. Now you can put some tin foil on top to keep it warm, but never put tin foil on food that comes right out of the skillet. You want to give it a few minutes to rest, because if you don't, it's going to get that condensation and it's going to be soggy and nasty, baby, and you don't want that. Now, we've got our chicken out, so we're going to go ahead and take our bacon. Yeah, the best part, baby, the most delicious part. And we're going to put it right in the same pan. Now, if you got a different pan, hell, you may have a oven and have 2 burners, and you may have these going at the same time. Well, you go ahead, Mr. Big Shot, Mr. 2-burner. Like Tupac said, I ain't mad at you. Go ahead and do your thing, baby. Put the bacon right in there, and we're going to let this cook, and this shouldn't take long at all, maybe about 10 minutes. But you want to watch, because bacon, if you let it go too long, it's going to get burnt. And the thing about it is, when it's in the pan and it's cooking, it's not going to harden up on you. You have to take it out and let it rest before it will really get crispy and crunchy and beautiful like you want it to be. So, you want to take it out a little earlier than you think you should sometimes. You know what I'm talking about? So, got that bacon in there, and we'll get our bacon fork, because that is the best way to flip this bacon around. That's a lesson I learned from my daddy. He was talking about his daddy, and he was showing me one time, we were cleaning out a drawer, and he said, this was my daddy's bacon fork. And I said, Dad, what the hell are you talking about, bacon fork? This man used to flip his bacon with one special little fork he had that the handle had broke off of, and he said it was perfect for it. And I'm going to show you why right here. When you take your fork, you can get it right in that bacon, You don't have to fight it like you do the spatula and it folds up on you and it tries to fight you. None of that shit. You get that fork, baby, you can hook it right in top. It lets it stretch out all the way, and you can plop it right back down in that pan and get it sizzling perfect, baby. So, let this go for just a little bit. Have a little more drinky, do a little flippy with our forky, and we'll be about ready to make our Sammy, won't we? Yes, baby. Woo, damn, baby. It is smoky in here. Like a Cypress Hill concert, man. But it's all the bacon. I promise. So, the bacon is done. We'll go ahead and take our fork and pull it out and put it on this plate right here. And now, once we get the bacon on the plate and get everything settled like that, you know, you take that bacon out and let it sit for maybe just a couple minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. That's going to let it harden up. And boy, you see it now, it's going to be harder than my arithmetic when I was in school. You know what I'm talking about? I don't know what you were thinking about with your dirty mind, but I'm talking about mathematics. So, everything is ready. We will get our plate, we will get our bun, and we will assemble our grilled chicken sandwich, baby. Let's get that plate now, because I want my bite soon. Yes, now it is my favorite time. Time to put it all together. Let's start with a bed of lettuce right there on the bottom. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful greens. Then we'll add our lemon pepper crusted chicken breast. A few pieces of bacon. I actually took 1 piece of bacon and broke it in half, but you can add more if you want to. Shit, it's your sandwich. You eat what you want, boy. I can't tell you what to do. I really cannot control what you do with your sandwich. And the piece de resistance. A little bit of honey mustard, baby. Right on the top, just to give it some flavor. Yeah. Hypnotize you with that circle there. Ooh, my goodness gracious. That is a meal with some power, and a meal that I'm about to devour. Oh, yeah. Alright, baby, the time has come. The grilled chicken sandwich is done, and I'm having the first bite for me, of course. Ooh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. I'm going to take a bite from the middle here. I know the things is hanging off the side, but I want a little bit of glide in my stride. I want everything in one bite, baby. Oh my God. That's perfect. Perfect. Easy to make. Good for the old gut. And, yeah, just beautiful, baby. Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you later, baby. Goodbye.